looked into the future in this building and said, how much further can we go with it? So we're not solving right now problems, we're solving any future problems that come down too. We're gonna be able to meet the demand, exceed the demand, and give our reps and our equipment exactly what it deserves.
Getting reps to really grasp the aftermarket business was a challenge at first because it's something they're not used to. The business, they focus on the equipment side, but once they really grasp it and go after it, they see the margins are way higher. It helps them grow their equipment business. Once they get going, they want to keep going.
We wanted to more heavily focus on the parts side of the business and serve that portion of the business in a better manner.
A lot of the restrictions of being able to do that and really do it the way we want was limited space.
We needed to better serve our reps, so we came up with a solution to do that.
Now we have this distribution center that has, up to 300,000 square feet. We can spread out. We can bring the product in, the right product, and we can have it on demand when it's needed for the market.
The distribution center is located in East Tulsa, which allows all kinds of growth in the future. It's about a 375,000 square foot building. We're utilizing around 108,000 square foot for the distribution side.
Everyone's equipment at some point is gonna fail. Components are gonna fail. When that unit's down, that critical building, it's a hospital, it's a school, it's imperative that you get it operational immediately.
Having the parts there to keep them going for that longevity is how we keep our core customers wanting to replace with it and keep our reps engaged with those customers.
Everything is great when it's new and when it's working, but when it isn't, now you have to make it work again. You can't tell me that you care about long-term ownership and repeat business if you don't have a thriving parts department.
At AAON, we're flexible. We can pivot quickly. We don't see problems, we see opportunities. This facility will serve us for many years to come for as much growth as we could possibly want. We probably have 20 years in this building before we'll hit the capacity.
Being able to have the parts on hand here in our distribution center, obviously our lead times are going to go way down and we'll be able to get them shipped out faster to our customers.
Obviously, we care about our equipment and we have some of the most industry-leading equipment out there, but we also care about the entire experience.
We really work with the reps to make sure they have what they need and we get it to them in a timely fashion.
We're incredibly proud. We got to do some things here that we haven't been able to do at our own facility because we didn't have the space. So we've been able to be very innovative, have all new equipment, new racking, new everything, and I think the workforce is very excited about that.
Getting to watch us grow into this size that we are and being able to watch how the reps receive it and interact with AAON, it's been really one of the most exciting moments of my career.
This gives us the ability to get it out faster and not prolong the process.
We're very excited to get our parts distribution center open because it's going to allow people to advance their careers. It's going to allow us to grow our aftermarket parts business as well as help out our warranty department and be able to house all the parts that we need to be able to provide our customers.